morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're watching this video. Welcome to Legit Graphics YouTube channel once again. Today we'll be doing making check using Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word. So now let's open our Microsoft Word. So now this is it. Open first time opening. So click on blank document. This is our workspace. Now first and foremost, let's go to layouts. Then go to margins. Click on 0.5. If you don't see 0.5, you can come to custom margin and change it to 0.5, 0.5, then save it. 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. So then save it. Now let's go back to home. Click on insert. Then click on shapes. Choose rectangle. So then draw your rectangle. Now you come to shape fill. Click no fill. So outline. Let's take the tiny one because we are still going to take it out. We are going to delete it at the end. So I will be using random name for this tutorial because it's for education purpose. So for now we'll be using just random names for it. Now let's go back to insert. Click on shapes. Then click on text box. Draw a text box. Come to shape fill. No fill. Shape outline. No outline. Now let's put our name Legit Tutorial. Now so you can adjust it. Just play around with it. Then okay, let's increase our font size to make it more bigger. Let's say 14. 14 is okay. Now drag it. Okay. Let's make it bold. You can change the font to anyone you like. How to change the font? Go to the font and change it to any font you want. But I think this one is okay, so let's continue with this. Now let's go to insert again. Insert. Go to shapes. Text box. Draw text box again. And then put our address and our address, street, then city. I call it, okay, let's say let's put city. Let's say Bastrop, Bastrop, comma TX. Then zip code depending on what you have. Come back here. No fill, no outline. Then right click on it. Go to paragraph. And then you change after to 0. Then line spacing to single. You can see it's more closer than before. Now let's reduce the fonts. Probably let's reduce the fonts. Now put it at 10. As our heading. Now another text box. You can use this text box. Let's copy and paste this. Copy, then paste. A to the other. A to the inside our line. The other off. Now add our special character. Then don't forget. Let me zoom out so that I can see it very well. Now let's go to our paragraph again. Reduce to zero single. Now with this you can okay let's just put the maybe let's put the line together. Dollars. Oh, sorry for the break. So now let's put space between this line and this one. Press enter. Then drag this one down a bit. Okay. So this is what we are doing here is what we call personal check. It's a personal check. So depends on what depends on the check you are designing. Depend on the design you want. Depend on the pattern you want. So now let's continue. Okay, let me just copy this again. Okay, I think I have a copy of it. Let's paste. Then drag here, drag it here. Then put memo. You can put memo or then put line. That is what memo. People should know what memo is. Now let's put it like this. Then now let's duplicate this. Copy V. Now I was only designing this check from not because I've been into it for a while now, so I know how it looks. So if you have your own style, then this is for signature. You can just write authorize signature, authorize rise authorize signature. Now authorize signature. Then don't forget paragraph. Right click. Okay, sorry. Right click. Paragraph. So then single line. Okay. Let's select this paragraph. Single line. Okay. Then put it at center. Now we have it. So now we still have to put date, check number, then the bottom number. Now let's put date. Let's just use so all we are using here, the main tools we are using here is let's just Control P, Control V. So what we're doing here is text box is our lifesaver whatsoever. Let me just put 1 2 3 4 or 1 2 3 as our check number. Adjust it. Then increase the size. Then bold it. Now our check number. So with this I'm very sure most of you guys that have watched my video must know what to have done and lots of things. So now let's do okay, Control V, then our check number and account number. Control A, put let's change the fonts. You know that the bottom number of check is quite different. So now let's continue about the account number, the routing number. Um, for this we have, let's change the font first to MIC coding. If you don't have the font, go and download the font. Now we have one zero. Okay, let me change the font size first. Let's put it at 18. Okay, now let's say 00123. That's something we have to change. I'll come back to it. Then routing number should always be 9 digits. Now let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now to account number. Let's say 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1. No, it's already 10. Sorry. Now at check number there are some special character we do have. So we have C, we have A, we have B, I think we have D. So if you have watched my previous videos, if you haven't watched it, you can go to my channels and watch it. So I've explained the real characters how to work. So now what they usually use uh is C, then C and A for routing number, then at the back of routing number, then A, and at the back of the account number we have C again. We usually use B or D, maybe especially for cashier checks. Now, as you can see, we already have our check looking perfectly and well. Now, let's bring in our date. Date. Let's copy this again. Copy, then paste. Then let's do something like this. Okay. Say date. Then word line. We say it's that one of the two. Anyhow, you can just do it anywhere, depending on the way you want your design. You can say date, date. Then paragraph 0, then singular. Sorry. Then you can say align left. So now let's you can paste. Let's just paste. Then move this and put our this. Today's day is 8. Okay, it's 04 month, then 08 2025. I'll move it. Yes, we have our date. Now let's create box for the amount. Come to insert shape. Shape. Then this. You can play around with it. Play around with it. Or let's use text box. Let's use text box. Is that text box or what's it? Text box. Let's use text box. Okay. Now move it. Let's use fill. You can use gray. Okay, let's say fill gray outline. Now then let's insert dollar sign. $sign. So let's change our font size so that the $sign will fit very much well. Decrease to 10. Now let's I just play around with it depending on what you want. Now we have it. Now let's bring in our bank logos. Bring in our bank logo. We go to insert pictures from device. Now download. So I'm doing wood forest. I already downloaded it. I believe most of us knew how to download. Then it said bring behind text. Let's use behind text. Now reduce the size, drag. So I choose to put it here. This is it. Now you can see it's obvious. This is a bank check. So you can easily now you can remove this. Now we have our bank check. So if you choose to put name, use text to put name. If you choose to put signature, you can put your signature depending on what you want. So if you have any question, you can easily contact me and I'm available to reply and do whatever you want and answer your question. Thanks very much and have a wonderful day.